Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Subella hair. Big shout out to Subella hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. Today I have this gorgeous, this is my type of wig, y'all. This is a 24-inch lace frontal. This color is absolutely gorgeous. The ends of this wig look really good, but I need you to take a look at this hairline. This is pre-plucked and the knots are bleached to perfection. I love this wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. So inside of the wig, you do have a comb in the nape area. You have built-in adjustable straps along with a removable elastic band, which is also adjustable. Further inside, you have a comb right here in the middle, and then you have these two combs off to the sides. There's plenty of reinforcements in here to ensure that your wig fits good. So we are going to install her the way I usually do. I want to show you the free gifts that came inside of this package because Subella does a good job with her. You get a Subella melt band, have 2 HD wig caps, a mini set of makeup brushes, which is a really nice travel size. Get a pair of press-on nails, and you also get a pair of strip lashes. And we are going to jump into this install. I'm going to have all the specs and details of this wig down below. We're going to chat a little bit more about it after I install her. I do have a specific style in mind, so I'm going to let you watch me do my thing. You know the drill. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are going to install her, and then I will be back to talk to you a little bit more about this wig.
Just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand, and no stylish goes away. When you walk into the room, all my partners stop and stare at you. But they just wanna push you up. It's the tattoo on your back, and that brand on Louis bag. Get the matching high heels. I can't help this girl, this swag's the truth.
I'm thinking of a master plan. Nah, I'm blind. Shout it on my mind. Shout it like a frying pan. And I ain't got nothing but sweat inside my hands. So I dig it to my pocket, all my money is spent. But I don't need a cent, cause shout it priceless. I tell it like this, I've been. So baby, I could take you. I roll up, this is the whole up. It's your money, man. Show them, maybe smile when ain't a damn thing funny. But still don't let the move with the money. So baby, if we move, then we move with the money. Which is my favorite dish. But if I text you, then I'll probably switch. And then we will probably switch. Now I'm walking up the streets, whistling this.
You're like my favorite song. Just wanna serve
This is the second style that I came up with. I was struggling a little bit with the bun. At first, we were doing a split bang with the two pieces, and I want to do a really, really skinny bun, but I just don't have the patience for that right now. So we went with this, you know, little vibe right here. I'm loving the colors in this hair. I also love how silky straight this hair is. This hair is so soft, and I love these colors. I'm a person that'll rock any color. I really don't care. So this is going to be the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All details will be down below for this hair in case you're interested in this hair. This is something that I really would want to throw some curls in. I feel like this would look really good with curls or waves, you know, how I like to do. So, like, look at this. You just know this is going to eat with some waves. You know what? I feel like, yeah, I like this too. That's cute. So yeah, big thank you to Subella Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for clicking on another video. I hope everyone had a great new year, and I hope you guys achieve all your goals and plans for 2025. So I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.